Hello and welcome to Planet. Today we are going to make a video on how to set up a planner for the month of April. So I just attached a white paper. So this is going to be the cover page of the month of the April. So I'm writing April. So why I have attached a paper is when you use a marker or a sketch pens, it will not get just blotted into the previous paper. So that way it also gives you the gives you a nice protection. So that is one of the reason. So if you like, you can use it. So here I am using these two colors. So this is also a new idea for me, and it looks beautiful. The easiest way is first use a pencil, then you can just color and then use a black color as an outline. So here is the next trick. So these are the scrap papers which I am using to design this month. So on this paper I have just drawn a flower and then I'm just going to cut it, and let's see how it's going to turn out. I have cut down few flowers and few buds. This is how it looks. You don't need to be a great artist to make this. So I've just cut down and then I'm just going to attach them, or else you can even draw with a pen and then you can color them. But just to avoid this blotting thing, so I'm using this technique, so everybody can use. So this is how it looks. Now I'm just going to use this color pencil, or you can also use this highlighter. So, and I'm just making the stems. If you're interested, you can go ahead and cut the stems also, but that is a tedious job, so I just skipped and I just stick on to this color pen. So this is how it looks. I don't know whether you can name it as a rose or tulips. It looks both, but still it is okay for me. And in the next page I'm just going to draw a monthly calendar. So in previous planner I have dedicated this to a separate page, two pages, but now I just stick on to the one page of monthly calendar because I'm not using it much. So people who are not very good at using this planner, that it's not necessary that you need to make it in more pages and then you don't use it and then you end up wasting it. So that's the reason. And I just use the black pen, and this is a monthly calendar. You can also just write down the dates and the days of the week. It's not a mandatory to make a square box, but once you make a square boxes, it's very easy and convenient for you to mark. So on the bottom I have used goals and the to-do list for that month. So this is how it looks. So this is pretty easy, anybody can do. So next page is for the habit tracker. So here I'm just going to cut down this monthly boxes. So for that I've just used this checks paper, and now I'm just going to attach them all through. So for the whole of the month I'm just going to track out my personal habits and also the for the work. So that is the reason I just made like this. So even in this page I just cut down those few scrap papers, and because I like this idea, so I just use this, and it's pretty easy, so anybody can make it in just in just few minutes. So you don't need to spend a lot of time in making your planner. So all I use is scrap papers. So if you don't have a color papers, you can just go take some newspaper and then you can use it. So I had cut down few green paper strips. Those are for writing down the heading of that habit. So here I have written it for the waking up in the morning. So these are the habits that I need to track. You can write down of whatever you just wanted to follow. So in the next page comes the weekly planner. So here I just don't wanted to do the regular square or triangle boxes, so I just made this tulip shapes. I don't know how it looks, but that's okay. It's just an experimenting. So this is how I made, because I'm not using the whole of it, so I just wanted to draw more, so I just kept the few few lines for the day. So these are 6 days, so on Sunday usually I don't plan anything. So I have attached two papers, that is one is for goals and one is for to-dos of that week. And I'm also copying the same design, which is very pretty easy. And this is how my planner looks for this month, and this is very easy and anybody can make it. So here I have written all the days. So make planner according to the way how you use it. So just don't blindly follow out anything, just make use of what you wanted to follow. So these are the just a simple idea for you so that you can make a better planner. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and share, subscribe to Planet.